Hi everyone, welcome to Guangzhou Airhorse Compressor Company Limited. My name is Bill. Now let me explain to you how to maintain our air compressors. These are the material we use for our maintenance work, including oil-gas separator, air filter, lubricating oil, and other related tools.
The maintenance of the air compressor is divided into two major parts. The first part is the inspection of the air compressor. First, we need to set the parameters in the main controller. Please press the down key on the main screen to enter first level menu. Press the enter key in the running parameter sub-menu. Number 3, enter the running parameter menu and press the down key. Secondly, the following operations are required. First, disconnect the power supply. Second, close the ball valve between the compressor and the air storage tank. Third, check whether the pointer of the pressure gauge of the oil and gas tank is 0. Thirdly, discharge the waste lubricating oil according to the following steps. Open the filling port of the oil and gas tank and the drain valve at the bottom. Drain waste lubricating oil inside the oil and gas tank and close the drain valve. Note that this step will be repeated later. Next, drain the residential oil from the cooler using a chain-type oil filter ridge. Unscrew the old oil filter counterclockwise to drain the residential oil from the cooler. Finally, fill the new oil filter with oil. Apply an appropriate amount of oil to the sealing ring, and then use the belt-type oil filter ridge to tighten it clockwise. Now we go to the second part, the operation of replacing consumables. Replacing the connecting pipe. Remove the connecting pipe on the lid of the oil and gas tank, the air pipe from the minimum pressure valve to the radiator, the oil return pipe of the oil separator, and the discharge air pipe of the intake valve. Replacing the oil separator. Open the oil and gas tank flange cover. Take out the old oil separator. Clean and remove the residue of the flange or cylinder flange gasket. Replace with a new oil separator, and then install all the pipelines back in sequence. Replace the air filter element. Take out the old air filter element and replace it with a new air filter element. Add new oil. Add to the first red line of the highest oil level of the oil level mirror, and then tighten the oil cap. Turn on the power. Open the ball valve between the machine and the gas tank. Reset the usage time of consumables, and reset the new time. Finally, confirm again whether the oil filter and filter cap are tightened, and whether the ball valve between the machine and the degas tank is open. After confirming that it is correct, start the test run and observe whether the machine runs normally.
The above is the whole content of after-sales maintenance process. Have you learned it? Airhorse solemnly promises you that every Airhorse compressor can run well for more than 15 years. We welcome your inquiry at any time. We will serve you wholeheartedly.